In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know how to use Google to reach Binance, navigate to the trading interface, locate the XRP USDT market, and place a sell order using the spot market. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only, so always trade responsibly and make sure you're allowed to use the platform in your region. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Binance.com domain. Check the URL carefully and make sure you see a secure connection icon in your browser. Once you're on the official site, sign in if you already have an account, and ensure your identity verification and security, like two-factor authentication, are set up. If you plan to sell XRP, confirm that your wallet holds the XRP you intend to sell. On the Binance homepage, move to the top navigation and choose Trade. This is where you'll access the live market interface. You'll see several options under Trade, each tailored to a different experience level. Choose Spot. Spot trading is the simplest way to exchange one asset for another at current market prices or at a price you set. It's distinct from margin or futures. Here, you're trading the actual asset, not using leverage. Once the spot interface loads, find the market search bar, typically near the top left. Type XRP USDT. USDT is a popular stablecoin used as a quote currency on Binance, and XRP USDT represents trading XRP against USDT. Matching the exact pair is important to make sure you're in the right market. Click the XRP USDT pair to open its dedicated trading page. You'll see a price chart in the center, an order book with current bids and asks, and recent trades flowing in real time. At the bottom or right side, you'll find the order panel where you can switch between buy and sell. Switch to the Sell tab labeled Sell XRP. Choose your order type. Market sells your XRP at the best available current price and executes immediately. Limit lets you set the price you're willing to sell at. It will only fill when the market reaches that level. Enter the amount of XRP you want to sell, or use the percentage slider if available. Review the estimated total in USDT, check any fees, and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Sell XRP. If it's a market order, it should fill right away. If it's a limit order, you'll see it listed under Open Orders until it's filled or canceled. That's it. Always double-check the pair, order type, and amount before confirming, and keep your account secure with strong authentication.